build it in within 10 minutes or 20 minutes. You already can start running, import virtual machines and start using it. And it contains everything you need from a single source. So you can have a backup, you can have a virtualization, and you can have a storage from a single vendor. So if something happens, you have a single point of contact. It's not like, let's say you would have a VMware and Veeam and some HP server, and then if something happens, HP will point to VMware, VMware will point to Veeam, and in this case, we are responsible for everything, so we can't escape. We need to help you, you know. And so that was the idea behind it. And it was very good. It was, I mean, we were very happy with it. And then with the VMware transition to Broadcom or purchase from Broadcom, everything changed, and suddenly everything exploded in that direction. And we decided to even develop it further. So EVOS from, let's say, back 2 years ago, and nowadays it's improved significantly and a lot. And now, for example, it's combined with Ceph, so you can have almost unlimited number of nodes, and you can even decide, so you can build a huge vSAN solution, let's call it that way, where you can have, like, let's say 10, 15 nodes, and then you can decide which one of those will be purely computational for your virtual machines and which one would be for the storage only, or you can mix them. So if you have some less demanding virtual machines, you can run them on a storage server as well. So you have a full flexibility and scale out, so you can expand as much as you like. And then, of course, we have also built out of the Ceph storage solution, which is ECAS, and this one basically is based on Ceph. So you get all the advantages of Ceph, but with iSCSI, with an NVMe over fiber, SMB, S3 is coming now soon. And the beauty of this Ceph solution is exactly what we are always trying to do is we are removing the complexity.
Yes.
So the first thing we say to our customers when they evaluate Ceph solution is we ask them not to Google it. Because the worst thing that can happen to you is to Google this solution, because you will just get scared. You know, Ceph standard Ceph is filled with command line, filled with some, very smart people writing very smart, complex things in the internet. So it just scares the people. And we made it the way that you can really set up, from zero to hero within 15 minutes. So basically everything is automated. So if let's say to build up a Ceph cluster with us, you just click on next, and you have a Ceph cluster. If you wish to add additional storage, you just click on next, and you add a server. So, and this is pretty unique for Ceph, because Ceph in the past was really built from developers for developers, and that's what we're trying to avoid.
And it's, and for those that don't know, Ceph is a petabyte scale.
Exactly, scale out storage. So
very complex, as you say.
Exactly, if you use it normally, and like I said, if you Google it, it's very complex. And the basic idea for the scale-out storage is that you not only can expand your storage within the server, but if you need a lot of storage, you can just add additional storage server, and without shutting down anything, you just extend it with the storage of this additional server. So you can have hundreds of nodes.